Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make reels on Instagram from gallery. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Instagram app and tap on this plus icon and select reel and click on this add photo option to the bottom left corner and tap on select and select multiple photos and tap on next. And now you can add audio to your reel. So select any audio and you can skip this part by tapping on skip. Now tap on next. So as you can see, I successfully created a reels using my gallery's photos. Now tap on next and you will be able to share the reel to your Instagram. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.